guys, I'm Stephanie and this is Two Curls One Comb, and today I wanted to do a review on some new products that I have tried and have absolutely fell in love with. So yeah, if you want more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share this video and follow us here. And thumbs up if you like our new my new pillows. Well, they're not new, but they're new to you. I changed them because Khalani sleep on my bed and I was about to take my pillows down from my bed and put them on the floor because they're blocking her in. So yeah, called the Doux, and that's the, like normal D, and the D-O-U-X, and it's pronounced the Doux, and it says it on the back of the jar. And I'll insert some b-roll of it because I don't have it on me right now, but either one. But the two products I have tried are Bonita Afro Balm and Mousse Death. And so I have never been a mousse girl. I've never like went into the store and purchased a mousse, or I don't know why. I don't know, like I just heard that it makes your hair dry and crunchy and just everything unfavorable, so I just never tried a mousse. But this mousse, when I tell you, this mousse is amazeballs. It's amazeballs. Okay, so the first thing you can do with this mousse is wear it as a wash and go. So I'm going to throw it back to our 2018 hair goals video. My hair was the result of that mousse. All the definition, all of that was because of that mousse. So it gets a thumbs up for me. The only thing that maybe a drawback from the mousse is that your hair is not going to be as, you know what I'm saying, moisturized like this, because my hair wasn't dry. It just wasn't as coated as I'm used to my hair being, if that makes sense. Like it was very light. It's a light moisture, I think, and it's lighter. Like if you tried Mixed Chicks, it's like that. It's not the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. A lot of people refer to it as the hair being hard, but your hair is not hard. It's just that it's not as coated as you're used to it being. See what I'm saying? It's a difference. It's definitely an adjustment. But when I was using Mixed Chicks in longevity, I didn't see any breakage. I didn't see anything horrible happen to my hair. So the only thing that stopped me from using Mixed Chicks was the fact that it was so expensive, and I was just like, ugh. But this product, the Mousse Death, you can use it for that, and then you can also use it, and it's supposed to be like a humidity blocker and blah blah blah. I'll put all the claims here. The other plus to this mousse is that it's dual purpose. It can also be used to blow your hair out and as a heat protector. So it blocks out humidity, so it's supposed to hold your straightened styles longer. I will say with this product, I noticed that my hair gets straighter with the blow dryer. It lays flatter with the blow dryer in a good way, not in a bad way. It's not like, oh, my hair has no body, but it definitely takes me less to straighten it or to get where I need it to go with this product. It even dries quicker with this product. I don't notice that my hair is super dry. I don't notice anything negative. I love this product. It definitely kills two birds with one stone. The only drawback is your hair might feel a little sticky, but that goes away. It definitely goes away. It's not there forever. Livable, like, for what this product offers. Like, I would recommend it. The mousse smells amazing. It's more of a botanical smell. It's not like a perfumey smell. Like, it just smells so good. Okay, so the next product, the Bonita Afro Balm. The Bonita Afro Balm is amazing as well. I have tried so many products. My hair is so light and fluffy and pillowy in texture that when I tried to do a blow out, twist out, my hair usually comes out in how can I explain it, in like a flowy, like bouncy way, which is cool. It looks great, but I prefer my second day hair when I usually have product buildup, and I prefer my second day hair when my hair isn't so susceptible to reverting with humidity. So that's with other products, right? So this product, I have bomb first day hair every time. I've used this product for almost a month. My jar is almost halfway empty, and I use it in conjunction with the mousse. So when I do my twist outs, my blowout twist outs, I put mousse in my hair, blow it out, and then I put this Bonita Afro Balm in my hair, and I twist it up. I have footage of that. We'll throw it in here. And I twist it up. I leave it in overnight. I wake up the next morning. I take it out, and I end up with this. And I love it. The only thing I do not like about this product is it claims that there is no sticky residue. However, my hair does feel slightly sticky. But I feel like that is kind of necessary because this product, I've been in humidity. My hair has looked spot on. Like for humidity, like I'll take it. I have been sweating. My hair has looked good in it. This is my hair is due for a wash. Last time I washed it was last week sometime, and I still think this is cute. So for me, this works. But what I will notice is like the first day you're gonna have sticky hair. I do not, with this product, I do not, thank God, have to twist my hair every night. With every other product, I have to retwist my hair and reapply the product that I'm using at the time to weigh my hair down the way I like it. And with this product, I don't have to. It holds the curl, and the second day hair is not sticky. It's perfect. The only thing that I'm struggling with this product is my third day. I don't know what to do the second night and on the third day, because when I reapply the product the following day when I take out my hair, it's not the same glory. It's kind of like we'll work with it, we'll do it kind of look, but it's not bad. Like, it's not horrible. Like, as I said, this ponytail is old hair. Like, I can't even tell you when I washed my hair. I don't remember, to be honest. So and to have this still be looking like this, I am thankful. I think this product is great. And then also with this product, you can use it in your straight hair because it's thick enough. It's a thick, creamy texture. There is water in it, but it's not enough water to revert your hair if you use it sparingly. So when you feel it, it's like a in-between between an oil and a cream, if that makes sense. It's thicker than most creams you're gonna find, but it's not just an oil, if that makes sense. This product smells also earthy, but it's a good earthy. It's like, I don't know if it's like flowers. I just refer to it as a botanical smell. Like, you cannot reproduce the smell. It smells so, like, at first it was like, it's okay, I'll get used to it. Now I'm used to it, and I'm like, it smells so good. Like, so good. So these two are my favorite products so far. Mostly because, not only because of the way they make my hair perform, and not because of the catchy names. They're so catchy. And the cute packaging. The packaging is so spot on. Like, I leave this stuff out so I can look at it because it's so cute. But mostly because you can use both of these products in your hair straight or curly. You don't have to, now you don't have to go, oh, I need my Tresemme because I'm going straight this week, and I need my Doux and everything else, you know, all the dry oils that we usually use in our hair when it's straight, and whatever else you're using in your hair when it's straight. You don't have to go, I need those, and not these, or I need my Shea Moisture products because I'm going curly this week and not straight, so now I don't need my Tresemme. You know, you got the best of both worlds. You can just, I have literally started doing my hair with these products and been like, I'm going straight this week. Keep going, keep going. You know what? Never mind. I'm going curly, and just change my mind. And as long as you haven't put the flat iron to your hair or had made any drastic commitment, you know, it works. Like, and that's what I love about these products. I am super excited. My next products that I'm going to try from them is obviously the moisturizing shampoo and moisturizing conditioner. I'm super excited to try those. I haven't tried them yet. These products are a little bit on the pricey side. They're more expensive than Shea Moisture by $5. I think both products that I mentioned in this video were both $15 in Target, and the shampoo and conditioner are also $15 each. So we're going to dabble in a little slowly, but we ain't going there right now. And I also have like a shine oil that I also want to try. I just want to try the whole line basically, because these two products I feel like are staples. I think everybody should try them. Again, my hair has never performed like this, and I'm just excited to see the longevity of these products, whether or not they're going to hold up like Shea Moisture did. And definitely, if you next time you're in Target, try the products. I'm telling you, you will not know if you like it until you tried it, because they are different. They are different than everything you have ever tried. There is nothing about this line that I can go, well, Tresemme has that, you know, or well, Shea Moisture has that. This line is completely unique of its own. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, follow us here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.